Hi there, this is Diecast channel, and in this video I'm going to show you this 1973 Cadillac Eldorado. This is one of my favorite cars. I really like Cadillacs, and I like those straight lines, those look very nice. So if you like Cadillacs just like I do, this video is for you, and this channel is for you as well. So don't forget to subscribe and to click the bell for news, because I have a bunch more Cadillacs to show. So let's take a better look at those cars. 1973 was a year in which cars in the US had to have reinforced bumpers. This front bumper here is reinforced with reinforced bumper guards. It was made for impact protection. This car really looks very nice. I like those straight lines. I like the Cadillacs. I like Cadillacs in general, and I like Cadillac Eldorados as well. As we can see, the front of this car looks very nice. It looks very elegant. We can see the blinkers, those ornaments that used to have some tiny lights, and the headlights, which are very realistic. The front grille, which is actually a grille and a bumper, are very realistic and have almost no casting markings at all. We can see the hood ornament and the trim that goes all the way along the hood, and the hood that opens and closes correctly. The hinges are not like the original car, but they're well made. The engine is cast in plastic, so this whole engine with cables and wires and all that stuff, and air filter and all components, are actually a single piece of plastic that's just like a shell that simulates an engine. But anyway, it's still very well made. The brake system here, it's in a different color. It's in body color, which I don't know if it's the correct color, because it's usually silver or gold depending on the car. We have the reinforcements in the engine bay, which is all made in flat black because it's made of plastic. Factory stickers are made here. They're like stamps on the plastic, and they're very well made. The hood closes correctly, as we can see. The trim has no misalignment. Door handle is a separate piece. The mirror with a Cadillac emblem right here. And interior, which is made in a brown color, which is typical 1970s. And the same brown color goes in the vinyl roof, which is made just like halfway, I would say, with this opera window right here. The top is made of plastic, as well as this trim around the window, the windshield, with the windshield wipers, which is made in a single piece. The dashboard is well made. The rear of the car is very nice. It looks very realistic, though the trunk lid isn't open. It's got a Cadillac badge, license plate, the reverse lights, tail lights, and those tail lights are actually painted on chrome, so it's just like an enamel, which is transparent enamel that's painted on chrome, so the chrome will shine through, so it looks like acrylic. It's very nice. Cadillac badge. It's actually a decal. A trim that has no misalignment at all. Eldorado logo, which is actually a decal as well. Wheels and tires that look very nice. Opening the driver's door, we can see steering wheel, which steers with front wheels. There's an automatic transmission, a 3-in-3. Gas and brake pedal, and parking brake pedal right here in the left. Bottom of the car, which is body and chassis, so we can see the chassis right here, the bottom. This base here is a single piece of plastic with all elements cast on. So the front suspension is a separate piece, which is attached to this base, so the steering system can actually steer. We can see the mufflers with a single exhaust, gas tank, rear suspension. It's not really working suspension, but it's pretty well made. In general, I would say this car is quite well made. It's a very nice car. One doubt I have about this car is the scale, because I think it looks a little bit too small for a 1/18 car, but I have to check the measurements of a real Eldorado so I can compare. Anyway, from 0 to 10, I would say this car would take an 8, because it's really nice. It has some tiny flaws, but in general I think it's a very nice car. So I'd like to thank you for all views, for all likes and comments. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, to leave your likes and your comments below. Click the bell for news, and stay tuned for the next videos that are about to come. I thank you, and I see you in the next video. Bye-bye.